Hello girls, today I have come up with a very interesting talk and fascinating too for you and your moms as well. So let's clear out some menstrual myths. Menstrual myths are very prevalent in our society and together we are going to bust them. First myth, a menstruating girl is impure, sick and she should stay separate from other family members. Well, the reality is that menstruation is a healthy natural body process occurring in a female's body. Menstrual blood is just a mixture of women's own blood and body tissues that was not utilized when pregnancy did not happen. So, a girl who is menstruating can mix up with other people, have friends, play just like normal routine. Second myth, a menstruating female cannot offer prayers or take part in any religious ceremony and cannot enter any sacred place of worship. The fact is that menstruation is a healthy body process, so a woman is not impure and she may by her own wishes follow or not follow these practices. There is no scientific reason to refuse her from this. Third myth, a menstruating woman should not cook or enter the kitchen because she might spoil the food items, and if anyone consumes them, they will fall sick. The fact is that entering the kitchen or cooking the food does not harm anybody. These kind of myths were prevalent previously so as to give some rest to the woman for some days in those times from the mundane household chores and also due to non-availability of hygienic and sanitary measures in older times. For example, when the cloth was used. So barring from kitchen was most likely a measure taken to avoid unhygienic cooking. But now, with the easy availability of long-lasting, super absorbent napkins and tampons, etc., a menstruating woman can handle food and almost do all the household work like any routine day. Fourth myth, a menstruating woman should not use normal clothes, should not sit on the normal furniture, and should not have sex during periods. Well, this is totally uncalled for. Any woman can decide whatever comfortable clothing she wants to wear during her periods. Even having sex during periods is not unsafe. She can have. Last myth is that do not exercise during menses. The fact is that a light exercise or yoga can be done during periods too, as long as the woman feels like doing so. So girls, सुना आपने, ये सारे के सारे मिथ पुराने टाइम के चले आ रहे हैं. आपके लिए बिल्कुल ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप इन्हें फॉलो करें. And this is the information and knowledge I want to give to you and your family members, your elder sisters, your mothers, aunts, teachers, so that आपके ऊपर इस तरह की कोई restrictions ना लगाई जाए. Thank you.